How will your ideas work in the real world? It's time to have some fun finding out in the prototype stage. So, what is a prototype? A prototype is a model of your design. It's something real that you can see and touch and use to find out if it helps solve your problem. You can prototype any kind of idea. For example, if you're making an object, you can use paper or cardboard or other supplies to build it. If it's a space, you can rearrange a room or use props to create your vision. If it's a system, you can draw a cartoon or a diagram that lays out how it will work. And if it's an experience, you can act it out. These are just some ways that you can prototype. Another important thing to know about prototyping is that you can do it over and over. Your first prototypes will be things you make quickly, so they'll be pretty rough. Then, as you see how they work, you'll keep making new and better versions. This is called iteration, and it's a big part of the design process. The team at Central Elementary decides to prototype 3 of their favorite ideas: a temporary lock that works on broken doors, a system for reporting problems, and an ad to try to get students to take better care of the bathrooms. First, they take a little time to draw pictures of their ideas, which helps them think about what kinds of materials they might need and helps them think about how to approach the ad they want to make, like whether it should be funny or scary or nice. For the temporary lock, the team looks around their classroom for materials they can use. Their teacher has some command hooks, so they take those to the restroom to experiment with them. First, they try to make them latch to each other, but they can't make that work. So instead, they attach one to the frame of the stall and one to the door and hang a rubber band there for students to use to connect the two. They also taped over the hole in the stall door where the lock was missing. For the reporting system, they tape a piece of string to a pen and tie the string to a small clipboard that holds a pad of paper. They write across the top of the paper, "Tell us what's broken in the bathroom," and hang the clipboard on the wall outside the bathroom using one of the teacher's command hooks. Now students can leave notes when there are problems in the bathroom. For the advertisement, the team decides to make an animation that the teachers can show in their classes. They decide to model it on the announcements they hear on SEPTA. If you see something, say something. They want it to hold students' attention and show them what they want their classmates to do. So they use 2 funny characters who have different ways of following the see something, say something instruction. Prototyping helps the team turn their ideas into things they can actually use. How will you bring your ideas to life through prototyping?